Hornblende is a common and important amphibole mineral. Let's begin with plain polarized light or PPL observation. Hornblende generally appears as a slender prism or sometimes as irregular or rectangular fragments, even in thin flake forms. Its color varies widely. You might see it in bluish green, brownish green, or even brown tones depending on the composition and orientation. It has a high relief, meaning it stands out distinctly from the mounting medium. The cleavage is one of the most defining features, showing two-directional amphibole cleavage. Hornblende is also strongly pleochroic, which means you will see different color as you rotate the stage. Now let's observe crossed polars. Hornblende displays second-order interference color, typically yellow to red, and its extinction is inclined, not parallel, which also helps in distinguishing it from similar-looking minerals like pyroxenes. That's all for today. See you in our next videos.